Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter in your 2018 Toyota Highlander XLE. This is a brand new car. Filter doesn't need to be replaced, but I'm just going to show you if you need to do it in the future. You don't have to take it to the mechanic. If it's under warranty, the dealer gonna do it for free. So this is the housing here, air filter housing. There's two clips here. Just release these two clips, lift it up gently. Filter's right there. Just take this filter out. Like this, and get your new one. Put it back in. Make sure it seats in firmly. Just like that. Make sure this this goes back into the notch. This tab here goes back into the notch, both sides, like this, and it fits into this. The edge fits in firmly, so you can close the air box, the housing. This is gonna take in, it's gonna suck air in through this air piece here, air duct. And you just put your clips back on, just like that. And that's it. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.